Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Meat Mindset. I haven't posted in a while and just was thinking about a visit I just had with my naturopathic doctor. I did some follow up blood work since turning to a meat based diet to heal my chronic issues, inflammation being the number one, severe arthritis. So I was highly motivated to, bottom line, get my life back. I really had some mobility restrictions and turned to this lifestyle. And so, I was just getting dinner going now, and I'm making some beef ribs in the oven, so super excited about that. But I just wanted to hop on quickly and talk to all of you about my comment, the comment that I got from my naturopathic doctor. So first and foremost, the blood work that came back from me just absolutely floored her. The changes that she's seen in just 6 months. I can get more into my blood work in another video, but I wanted to talk about her comment to me when I told her that I was living a meat-based lifestyle. I was reluctant to use the word carnivore, so I said meat-based, same thing. We all know that. And her only comment was, that's fine, but I'm concerned about the sustainability of that diet for you. And I listened to her comments, and when I got home, I started thinking about, the reality that this diet's been truly life-changing for me. It's saved my life. Anyone struggling with chronic pain or inflammation, and even your mental health, living in chronic pain is directly associated with higher rates of anxiety and depression. So when we're talking about sustainability, living like that, how I was living before, wasn't sustainable. I couldn't imagine living my life any longer than I had to, where my mobility was affected, my mental health was affected. So I've just made a couple notes. That's why I'm looking down here. So I've seen a definite decrease in my pain. For any individual here watching this, if you have arthritis or any constant inflammation, any sort of depression or anxiety, as well as I know how truly draining it is. And absolutely unsustainable versus the sustainability of a meat-based lifestyle. The everyday toll of chronic pain, combining with that fluctuating mood that you get living in chronic pain, can leave most people, including me, feeling trapped. I felt trapped in my own body. I felt trapped in my home. And it was just a constant cycle of discomfort. Since I switched to the carnivore or meat-based diet, I found it a sustainable solution. I'm on month 6, and I've focused on nutrient-dense animal products. I've eliminated foods that can trigger inflammation and sensitivities, like grains and sugars and processed seed oils. We know through research that meat provides all the essential amino acids and fats that one's body needs in helping to reduce that inflammation and promote healthy joint health. And that was my focus, is to create that healthy joint health, rebuild my muscles. For many arthritis sufferers, this could mean relief from joint pain and stiffness. I've certainly seen a decrease. I'm not perfect yet, but I've seen a decrease, and it's made my activities of daily living more manageable, bottom line. A carnivore diet, meat-based diet, also has stabilized my blood sugars, which provides that constant energy, which can impact our mental health in a positive way. We know that depression and anxiety has direct links to inflammation of the brain. This diet has improved my brain health moreover than any other positive choice I've made in my life. We know that meats And animal fats are really high in omega-3 fatty acids, which also are directly linked to anti-inflammatory and mood-enhancing properties, offering that natural boost to that mental clarity and emotional stability that we're all looking for in our lives today. Living in chronic pain for the last couple of years. This was post multiple surgeries on my ankle, my right ankle, after a fall. I can speak to my story, and this is only my story, that living in that chronic pain and subsequently that mental distress is absolutely not sustainable. I'm only 45 years old, and it was no way to exist. But from my experience, a meat-based diet can offer that path that maybe you're looking for right now, that path to healing. It can improve that quality of life. I feel as though I now actually have a quality of life, which has allowed for pain reduction, mental clarity, and as well as a heightened emotional resilience. And I think being stoic, having emotional resilience in our lives is key to success, to enjoying our life, not just being here and existing. I definitely feel as though I'm a more vibrant contributor to my personal and professional life. And I definitely feel healthier, and I still have a long way to go, but compared to 6 months ago, next video, I'll show you some pictures from 6 months ago. This message is really just around sustainability. Is it sustainable to live in chronic pain, debilitating pain at 45 versus is it sustainable to eat steaks and eggs and bacon and stop buying processed foods, stop pumping yourself with sugar? For anyone considering this lifestyle, to reclaim your health, reclaim your energy, your mental well-being, I'd be happy if you reach out to me. I'm happy to talk to anyone. I've made a lot of hard decisions and difficult changes in my life, and I've seen the most positive change from going meat-based. So nice to see all of you guys. I'll catch you on a hike maybe later on this week, and we'll talk a little bit more about my journey. Take care. Make sure you like and subscribe. Meat Mindset. I'm Laura. Happy to be with you.